If you're after a fast, nutritious snack, it's hard to go past a kebab. But if you're behind the counter, cutting the meat is tedious, very hot, and sometimes dangerous work. Not only that, the meat is expensive, the slicer is expensive, and the less time handling both, the better. I've invented a kebab robot that cuts the meat for you automatically at the press of a button. A pressure sensor measures the circumference of the meat and works out how many slices are needed to complete a circuit. The robot arm starts to slice, and by the time the customer's salad is chosen, their meat is ready.
Thank you, sir.
Kebabalicious.
Please welcome from Sydney, Tech Temel. Hey Tech, how are you, mate?
Hi, how are you?
Now, it's this, you can do two things at one time, right? So I guess you save a kebab shop a lot of time.
That's correct.
And you get, well, do you think you get a better product?
Yes, of course. Your meat is cut consistently. It always looks nice and symmetrical.
Yeah, true. And also, it's dang hot next to this thing.
That's correct.
And if you're doing that 100 times a day...
That's probably the worst job in the actual kebab shop.
Yeah.
And obviously there's other things as well. For example, you're going to have a person that's in close proximity to the meat who's very, very hot all the time. So hygienically, this thing solves that problem.
Yeah, right. Well, let's see how it works. Simple push of a button. It's got a pressure sensor. And now, how does that work?
The pressure sensor has a little spring in it, and it's got some other bits and pieces in it that as soon as it makes contact with the meat, it tells the microchip inside to do the next process.
Fantastic. And it just keeps going up.
And it just keeps going up.
It'll go all the way round, but that's probably enough for me, I reckon. And then, because you've got to give it the taste test, obviously.
Of course.
In it goes. Did you put enough lettuce and tomato? Okay, and then we'll just see how it tastes.
Yes. Kebabalicious, right?
Kebabalicious! It's gold, fantastic. You carry on, okay?